Is your warehouse fulfillment process slow and clumsy? Consider using Shopify's new bin name field to help organize your store, increase efficiency, and streamline your pick-pack process. Let's review how to create bin fields and print pick lists in Shopify. Shopify now supports native fields for product bin names. Navigate to the inventory page of your Shopify admin. From here, you can turn on the new bin name field by clicking on the column editor. You can then enable the column. The page will now display the bin name for each of the variants. You can't directly edit the values from this column, but you can at least view them. To enter or edit these values, you'll need to use the CSV export or the bulk editor. Let's start with using the bulk edit process. You enter the bulk editor by selecting one or more items using the checkboxes. You should see the bulk edit button appear once you start clicking on the checkboxes. When you're on the bulk edit page, you'll need to once again turn on the bin name field from the column editor. Scroll down to where it says Show Bin Names and use the slider to activate the column. You'll now see the bin name field for each of the variants on the bulk editor. You can now directly enter values in this column for each item. Enter the value that represents the bin location in your warehouse. Every merchant will have a different warehouse convention, so your values will be specific to your layout. In this example, we'll say that this product is on rack number 2 on shelf 3. This other item is on rack 4, shelf number 2. You'll see how each entry is unique to your specific warehouse. Use these values as a way to direct your warehouse staff to the product when an order needs fulfillment. It's like you're creating a digital map of your warehouse for each product. When an order is placed, your team will use these values to locate the item. Once you've completed the entry, click Save and then go back to the inventory page. You should now see the values that you just entered in the bulk editor visible in the bin name column on the inventory page. If you're looking to do more of a mass update, you can perform the same edits using the CSV file. Click on the Export button to download a copy of your inventory CSV. You can include all locations and all variants in a single CSV file. This will make the update process quick and easy for all of the bin names. Now just export your file and open it in a CSV editor. When we open the CSV file, we can see all the variants, locations, and inventory values. And now there's a new column called Bin Name. This is where you'll enter or update the bin location values for each variant on each row. Simply click into any field and start typing. You can quickly and easily update your entire store using this CSV file. We'll enter a few more values and save the CSV file. Once you've completed the CSV edits, return to the inventory page and this time choose Import. Select the CSV file that you just saved and import it back into the inventory section. When the import process is complete, reload the page and you should now see all of your newly entered bin locations populating the new column. If you ever need to make a quick edit, you can always select a single product and use the bulk editor. Use the checkbox to select the product, click on the bulk edit, and then add the value. One thing to note, as of now, the bin names are only visible on the product inventory page. If you go back to any product and look at the admin details, you will not see the bin name. You have to jump to the inventory page to see the entries. So how do we actually use these bin values? This is where the Order Printer app comes into play. When a customer places an order in your store, your warehouse staff should receive a pick list to fulfill the order. You can use the Order Printer app to design and print these pick lists. If you don't have the Order Printer app in your store, go to the Shopify App Store and download it. It's a free app developed by Shopify. Navigate to the Order Printer app in your store and click on the templates. You should see the standard invoice, packing slip, and pick list template. Click on the pick list. From here, you can activate the new bin name field. Simply click on the checkbox to add it to the template. Click Save to update the template. Now when an order is placed in your store, you can click to see the new pick list. When you're viewing an order, click on the More Action menu and scroll down to the Order Printer selection. This will take you to the templates that you just created. Click to view the pick list. You'll now see the bin names that correspond to the products on the order. You can then print the pick list and give it to your warehouse staff. The Order Printer app automatically pulls the bin name values from the inventory that you just updated using the bulk editor or the CSV. And since you're receiving many new orders per day, use the bulk selector in the order admin to print the pick lists with the Order Printer app. Simply check on the orders and click on Print. You can now quickly choose the pick list for each of the selected orders and click Print. You can then give the printout to your warehouse staff so they can complete the order fulfillment. Using the pick list, they can quickly find the items in the warehouse and ship the orders. Your team is now way more efficient. So if you're looking to streamline your shipping and increase fulfillment, consider using the new bin name feature in Shopify. And don't forget to contact Sunrise Integration if you need help with your Shopify store development.